Hi everyone. Okay, so here it is. I just pulled it out of the oven. The flatbread. So that's what it looks like when it's cooked. Kind of cool, eh? So we're gonna see how it pops off. I think it's sticking a little bit, so, and it's really hot. So I think if I start playing with it now, I should have waited a bit. It may break up a little bit. So I'm just gonna use, because you're with your liner, you don't want to use a sharp knife, right? So I'm just gonna actually break it around the edges because it might be sticking there. This is hot, just coming out of the oven, like this. Okay. Oh, look at that, it's starting to lift. So where it's not as, hang on a second. So right here, it's not cooked as crispy as this side. So let me just take this and I'm gonna go in with yeah. And I did flip it at 20 minutes. I did turn it around. So, and I'll do the same on this side. I don't care, for me, I don't care if it's broken or not. I just want to show you. So I've got my flipper. You might want to use a different flipper. We're going to test this out. I hope you're okay being a guinea pig with me.
Wow.
I know. I got to clean out my cupboards. All right. So let's do this. I'm going to do this. We're experimenting. You're seeing real things happen in my kitchen. Oh my God, people think I'm crazy. That's okay. Okay, we're gonna do a flip. I got 4 sheet pans. There you go. Okay, let's see how it turns out this way. Oh, oh, oh. Ta-da! That's good. It is so flipping good. Now you see the back side. And you see the steam. I don't know if you can still see the steam. But there you go, guys. This is a high protein flatbread. And I added the collagen to this. A little bit of collagen, 1 scoop. You might want to add 2 eventually. And this is going to be amazing. I'm so excited about this. So I'm going to take a piece. And take a little slice. And this, see how this is crunchier? This can be like this literally could be like a cracker. It's good. So let me break off that harder stuff. There you go. Tastes good, guys. This is really good. So this, you can't really roll. But if you have some dip of some kind, right? Here's a flatbread. It's not overcooked. You can stuff it, and you'd have a nice little sandwich. Yum. I'm super pumped. Woo! And it's got some collagen in here. Yay! This is a big win. So thanks for being in my kitchen. I'm gonna make myself a sandwich out of this, and it's gonna be delicious. And it's high protein, gluten-free. Great spice blends, and why not add a little collagen? It's winner. Love you all. Bye.